some dark blue. I forgot I had this. I'm gonna fold it. Trying to cut it even somewhat. So, trying to look. Why does this look like this? Look like something is on it. And it shouldn't be anything in this. Look at the other piece. I guess it's just the fabric. You know what? I'm gonna fold this in half. And I'm gonna try this. Oh, it slipped away from me. Yeah, child, ain't started raining. Child, they probably just start slipping and sliding in them cars, honey. You hear them sirens. A lot of people do, honey. Everything is fast paced. Okay, so this is my little stencil. Let me see how big this piece is. That might do. Okay, that might be a good size. So I found some dark blue wrinkle. I was trying to see what I had, and that's all I could find. That was big enough, and that was close enough to the color. I really don't like putting light colors on the inside. I don't know. Every now and then I will if people request it. Well, just to like play with colors, I do. All right, here we go. I need me a cold beverage. I'm about to drink the rest of this water. And let me pour me a little bit of this ginger ale. I'm sweating, child. I just think I be going through some changes, honey. Changes. Yes. That's what love makes you do. That was my song. I wondered if it's real this time. And not another. I think I'm gonna cut me a square out of the fabric instead. That way I don't I'm trying to maximize every piece without messing it up. So I'm gonna cut a certain size out of this one. That way I don't have all these awkward shapes and stuff left over. Let's see. What size is this? All around. Okay, so all I did was cut that little part. Alright, that's what I'm gonna have to do. So from here to here, and I'm gonna make it probably like 24 by 24 to be on the safe side. 24 going this way. Goodness, I'm sweating, child. Okay, this way. It's gonna be 24. I'm gonna cut it right there. I'm gonna just keep cutting them until they meet. And I have one piece that I can use. So let me keep cutting this side. Sure it's big enough. Cut this little piece out. There we go. So, okay, this here, and it feels like it's a little bit bigger, but that's okay. I'll just cut all the extra off this time. I'm not worried about that right now. Again, I'm gonna leave the fabric going up like that. You know what? I didn't even bring my mannequin in here. And then I'm going to have this facing the bottom. And I'm gonna add my pins to it. Changes, that's what love